Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. Today I'll be taking you around this Toyota RAV4. This RAV4 is finished in green and is powered by a 2.5 petrol hybrid engine with an automatic transmission. On this model, the boot can be remotely accessed, where you'll find plenty of space to provide for your daily needs. This boot space can also be extended with the rear seats down. Sits beautifully on twin 5-spoke 19-inch alloy wheels, as well as LED daytime running headlights, providing great visibility in all weather conditions. Into the back, the passengers are provided with twin-toned leather seats with head restraints, as well as Isofix for convenience. Into the front, and the driver is presented with a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, as well as fully electric leather seats with memory capability. The multifunction steering wheel provides access to Bluetooth, voice command, volume control, as well as cruise control, speed limiter and lane assist. The mostly digital instrument display provides access to vital driving data, which can be accessed using the multifunction steering wheel. In the centre, an 8-inch coloured touchscreen display provides access to inbuilt satellite navigation, helping you get around with those unfamiliar places. Bluetooth, multimedia and apps are also available to help you stay connected at all times. A rear camera is also provided to help with those tight spaces. Just below the coloured display is the controls to the dual climate control, where the driver and the passenger have the ability to adjust the temperature to their liking. Heated seats are also provided for those cold winters. In the centre console, USB connection, the gear selector, electronic handbrake, also different driving modes, 2 cup holders and a leather armrest is also provided. Thank you for taking the time to watch this walk around video. For further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.